Hi guys, this is Mansi and welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. So today we are going to do a haul video which is very rare on my channel, and I have shopped quite a bit from Nykaa because I saw a little bit of great offers, not a lot but a little bit. So I shopped from them, and though I don't know how I'm going to use this much of makeup in this pandemic happening, and I hope everything settles down. I just hope that everything is okay very soon, and I hope you are all safe and staying in your homes. And without wasting any more time, let's get on to the video. So first up, I have this foundation from Rimmel in the shade 502 Caramel, and as you can see, this is again not my match because I don't know, even after seeing so many reviews, I couldn't get the shade right. But I saw one thing in this foundation shade range, that they have added on new shades, so there was not much references on the internet to choose the shade from. So I guess I have to go with the shade 503, which is mocha, and it is yellow undertone, because this is very pink tone and it will look off like no matter how much I try to adjust it. So yeah, it has to be mixed with a foundation, another foundation I mean, so that I can enjoy this foundation, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this. And next purchase I have is this Fit Me foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel, and I was using this shade 330, and it was a bit neutral tone and I was not liking the tone that much, so I thought I should buy a foundation shade which is in the golden tone. So I went ahead and bought this, and I'm wearing these two foundation as a combo today on my skin, and I feel that they look pretty good, and they have pretty similar formula, that I would say, because this claims to be a very matte foundation, but this is not. This is like a very natural semi matte kind of finish, and same as this foundation. So I can see that they are going well together, so I'll try it few more times, and if they go together I won't be buying a different shade. So yes. So the next item is this NYX contour palette, and oh my god, I wanted this palette since so long and I couldn't get my hands on it because I was always in the dilemma that it's too expensive. I don't need a whole palette to just contour my face, and I'm going to use just one or two shades from it. So I was always like taken aback from this thing, and I never got it because I know that this is not something new, but it was on a very good discount. I just got it for 1200 rupees, whereas the original price is 2000 rupees. And yes, I will show you the palette. So this is how the palette looks like, and actually I have used all the shades today on my cheekbones, like under the cheekbones, and they are really pigmented. They are very creamy, and this will go for any skin tone, no matter how fair you are or how dark you are, because these shades look light, but they come out very dark on the face, because they are mostly cool toned. They are not that bronzy, like except this one. All the other three are very cool toned, so they will give you a really nice contour. And I have also used the highlighter from the same palette, which is so nice. This is like not the golden highlight, but it is like, it has a hint of lavender in it, but this looks so nice on my face, and I was blown away that how it is suiting my dark skin tone. So yes, this was a really nice purchase. So the next purchase I have is the Huda Beauty concealer, and this also I wanted from so long, like since the day it launched. I wanted to get my hands on it, and it has this metal tip, although I don't apply it from the tip because I feel that it will deposit a lot of product under my eyes. So I take it on the back of my hand and then apply it, and it is really full coverage concealer. So if you are looking out for any full coverage concealer, go for this one. Also, there was a deal on Huda Beauty, that's why I got the concealer, because of the greediness of the offer which was there. So the offer was that if you buy anything above 2500, I guess, you will get a demi matte full size lipstick, and I got this. Like, this itself cost like 1800 rupees. I got this, and the shade is really nice. I'll show you the color. This is the color, and this will suit me pretty nicely. So yeah, this was a good deal, so I got the concealer. Also, I bought the shade Toasted Almond because they don't have exactly my skin tone color concealer, because it's either too dark or too light. So this is a very good highlighting shade if you are under NC 43 to 46. This would suit you very nicely for the under eye highlight. This has the perfect undertone of yellow, not too much, not too less. So yes. So next up I have this blush from Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution London, and it is a beautiful peach blush, and I don't know why it's looking pink on the camera, but it is peach. Like, this is on more peach side, and the name is Baked Peach also. This is the proof I'm giving you that it's peach, not pink. And yes, I'm wearing the blush today, and I really like it. Next up, I got this from L'Oreal. This was the mascara. This is a repurchase. I already have one, that's why I haven't opened it. So I will open it once I'm done with the previous mascara. And I got this because this also had a very good deal, which is get a free liner, full size liner. Although I used it and I'm not a fan of it because the wand is like, I'll show you, because the wand is like, I don't know, very flimsy. Although this is jet black, but I don't like this kind of eyeliner that much. I am more like a felt tip liner kind of girl. So yes. Next up I have these two setting sprays. This is from Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. So these days I don't know that my face is not as oily as it used to be. Maybe it can be that I am all the time in AC, so that's why my skin doesn't produce that much of oil. So when I do any kind of videos and I'm wear makeup, so it looks a little bit cakey on my skin because of the drying setting spray I'm using, because I also bake on my skin and also use matte primers and matte foundation. So I thought of buying a hydrating spray, and this is really nice. Although I am bummed by the what do you call this, the spray, which is very hard. Like, it should be like जल्दी जल्दी आना चाहिए ना, तो ये बहुत धीरे धीरे आता है. But the mist is really nice. It is really micro, what do we call it, micro setting spray. This is like that. So if you're looking for a hydrating spray, go for this one. Although it didn't have any off, but I wanted it from a very long time, so yes. And the next purchase is also from L'Oreal. This is their Infallible Pro Spray and setting spray, and this is like my favorite setting spray in drugstore. It is similar to the all-nighter spray I use, but that is like too expensive, so I use it when I'm just wearing makeup for my satisfactory at home and not going out. So this does a really good job. So if you have oily skin and if you are looking for something which is close to all-nighter and you want to save money, go for this one. And I got this at an offer. It costed me just 560 rupees where the original price is 800. So yes, and also I'm mentioning those prices where it had a difference rather than just 50 or 80 rupees. So yes. Next up I have this random serum which I got from Schwarzkopf. Yes. So this was recommended by Shweta Vijay. She loves this serum, and I thought I want a new serum, so why not to buy it, because it was around 399 rupees and the original price is 500. This was not anyway that expensive, so I got it, and I'll tell you my review on this on my Insta, because I am very much active there. So if you're not following me there, go ahead and follow me. So next up I have 2 lipsticks, and how can Mansi not buy lipsticks where her channel name is actually lipsticks? So yes, I had to buy lipsticks, and I was looking for a perfect nude peach lipsticks from a very long time. And you must be wondering, Mansi, you're a makeup artist, you can make a nude peach lipstick according to your choice. So actually I was tired of mixing up, so I wanted straight up one lipstick which I could apply, and it can be a peach lipstick. So yes, these are the 2 colors. I'll swatch it for you. So this shade is very close to Mangrove, and Mangrove is one of like my favorite from the MAC collection, but I don't have it. And I found that this is a very close color to Mangrove, so I got this. This is in the shade Frida, and the other color which I have is Jane. So these are the 2 colors. The Frida one actually I'm wearing, and this one I'll post a picture on my Instagram again, and if you want to see, so you can obviously check it out once. So these are the 2 colors I got, and I love the formulation of these lipsticks. Like, they don't go anywhere, and they are so inexpensive, and I also got them cheaper than the original price. It was like around 400 rupees after discount, so I already wanted them, so I got them. Yes. Next up I have this concealer from PAC, and again I wanted to try their concealers, and this is like very hyped up concealer, and I got the shade Honey Drop, and again this is a highlighting shade for me, and like not that highlighting, but 1.5 lighter than my skin. So I still have to try it. I haven't tried it because I'm wearing the Huda Beauty concealer. So yes, I got this, and again it was not on discount. I just got it. So next up I have is a brow product from PAC again, and it is in the shade Cedar Creme 02, and I'll show you how creamy this product is, and you really need very less amount of it, because I tried it and I was like, I just dipped it and it got like, it is like butter, like almost melted butter. The texture is like that, so you don't need a lot of it, just be careful. And yes, so this is the color. This is like a very cool toned brown color, which is very good for people who have dusky skin tone or who have very jet black dark hair. Right now my roots are like my original hair color, so this brow product is going really nicely. Otherwise, if I go really blonde with my hair and I get my roots touched up with like a mahogany color or a caramel color, this might not look good, because this is a dark color and I don't like my brows to be really dark when I have really light roots. But this is a great product, and this is really long lasting. I have just used it today because I was using it at the back of my hand and then taking it, so it was really hard to remove it with the makeup remover also. So this is like waterproof, budge proof, life proof, and everything proof. So if you are looking for a brow pomade which is like very cheap, this is like 500 or 600 rupees, and this will last you like for your whole lifetime. Like even your grandchildren can use it, so please go ahead and buy it. And this won't dry out because of the formula they have got. It is very creamy, not like the hard pomade like the Anastasia Beverly Hills, if you know what I mean. So yes, next up I have a product from Nykaa again, and this is also a brow product. This is Oh My Brow. This is like this is not Lyka, this is a brow gel, and I again wanted a brow gel from a really long time with the tint, so I got this and I am wearing it today. So this is a really like not that light color, because I like my brow gels to be a little lighter so that it can give like little highlights to my brows. I know that is really weird, but that looks really nice if you have highlighted hair, because that will match with your actual hair color and that will look really nice. So that it didn't do that because it is exactly like my hair color, so I didn't apply it that much because the brow pomade was already too dark. So if I applied it too much, I would look like, I don't know, Sharpie brows. So yes. Next disappointment, next product we have is the nail paint by, no, we'll call it nail nourished nail lacquer from K Beauty, and I am highly disappointed from this product because see, I have applied it today only, and this has happened just because I was opening the boxes, like boxes like these, and it got all chipped off in just 2 hours. Like, I know nail paint doesn't last on the nails for a very long time, but 2 hours, really? And I like the color so much. It is actually going really nice with my ugly hands, but the formula is really bad, or I don't know if there is a sorcery that it is on discount, so this is the bad batch. So I don't know, I will give it a try. Like, next time I'll just apply a very thin layer and see, because I'm not a really big fan of nail paints. This probably my mom will use because I am more like nail extension kind of girl. So yes, but don't buy this. This is a waste. Even if you get it for free, don't use it. So last but not the least, the purchase is the Pond's moisturizer. This is the super light gel oil free moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. This is a really nice moisturizer if you have oily skin or combination skin, and if you're also on the sensitive side or acne prone, and this will make your skin really juicy and plump, and this sits well under the makeup and it won't dry out your skin. Dry skin people can use it as a primer underneath their makeup after they have applied their all really hydrating toner, essence or serums, and then use it, then it will work fine. But if you are just relying on this moisturizer, I guess it would be a little drying because this is not that hydrating. And one tip I can give you with this moisturizer is that when you apply it, just spritz some water or some mist on your skin. It will actually hydrate it more, so that way you can use it. These are like, I have already used up 3 tubs of this and I really love this stuff, and this is really close to the Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. So if you are looking for a moisturizer, go for this one because this is really not that expensive. This was like 200 rupees after the discount, and without the discount it's approximately 300 rupees, and you get like, how much product? You get 147 grams in this. So this is a really nice moisturizer. So that's it for the video, and I hope you liked it. And if you have purchased anything from the Nykaa Hot Pink sales, do let me know in the comment section down below. And also, if you want me to review any of the products, just comment down below and I'll do it for you. And if you want to see more of me, you can obviously follow me on my Instagram and DM me so that we can connect. So till then, take care, bye bye.